Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, hi, my name is Bobbi and I do beauty things here. Everything that I do is cost effective, meaning it's not going to just like you in the wallet, okay? If you're interested in anything like that seems like it might be up your alley, then go ahead and go down below and subscribe, and thank you. So today, my wonderful, amazing friend Jessica, she sent me a link in my email, right? And I was like, what's this? And I opened it and it was a link for a $5 Fab Fit Fun box. And I was like, oh my God, thank you. Because I've seen Fab Fit Fun and like, I always like just don't sign up or whatever. But I was like, $5, that's too easy to pass up. That's just too cheap for me to want to pass up. So this is the Fab Fit Fun box and I have never gotten it before. It's very large, okay? This is a lot bigger than most packaging is for makeup. So I'm excited to see what's in here, and you guys know that packaging always plays me, but I'm prepared this time. Okay, I got a box cutter and I'm just gonna set this on the ground before something bad happens. Okay, and I don't normally do unboxing videos, to be honest. I just normally do product reviews, but I was like, my friend Jessica does a lot of unboxing videos, so let's see how this goes. Okay, so it has a piece of wrapping, I guess you might call it wrapping on the top. Here is a Fab Fit Fun, it looks like a little magazine. How the box is curated with lots of love, of course. We'll see. Sweat it out, tips to boost your workouts. I need motivation to do my workouts. I don't know about you guys, but I do. This looks like something I'll read later. A note from us. Oh, okay. Oh, what's in the box? Okay. So if you guys are interested in how much any of this stuff costs, I will tell you momentarily, okay? So let me try and show you guys what the inside of this box looks like. So upon opening said box, it looks like this. So this Jonathan Adler candle. The candle is
$48. Child, that candle better be magical, last forever, and do some extra stuff too, honey.
But anyways, okay, these are natural dead sea salts, bath salts. This bag of salt is $16. Okay, what else do we have? We have this. This is a Nicolata melt. It says this is 100% organic balm to oil, deeply nourishes the skin and helps to smooth imperfections. I will let you guys know how this goes. And this retails for $28. Okay, what's this? What's this? Thermal spring water. Sounds fancy. Okay, so this retails for $14. Spritz your face with hydrating spring water to calm, soothe, and soften the skin. Okay, so first of all, child, see why Jessica always does more than one box at a time. But some of these things, Ahava, I think that's how you say it. I'm pretty sure I'm saying it wrong though. So this Ahava brand, I really like think this might be a good brand. I don't
take that many baths, not as many as I would like to take, to be honest. But I just don't have time for that. Okay, I can't be bothered filling the tub and sprinkling stuff and fluffing bubbles and all of that.
I normally, by the time it's time for bed, I just want to get clean and get in bed and lay down. Not sit and lay down and soak and then get up and stuff. Plus, my knee is injured, so I mean, this might come in handy. Hopefully it, like, anti-inflammatory stuff. No, there's no anti-inflammatory stuff, but you know, it's okay. There's little confettis everywhere, and that I do not like. The packaging is nice, but you know, to the recycling it goes anyways. Okay, I did pick their little things from Curation, stuff like that. Would I pay full retail price for that? No. Let me even sniff this candle. This candle
better make some strange things happen, okay, for $50. What does Uncle Roger say? Do you guys watch Uncle Roger? He would say, hi, $48 for a candle. I bet his walk doesn't even cost that much. Oh my God.
You guys, this Kleenex box was full of this little candle that's inside. Okay, so I can smell it through the wrapper. And this is already not really my kind of scent. To be honest, it smells, not that I don't like fresh kind of smell, but okay. There's not even decoration like Bath and Body Works. Okay, let me show you guys my Bath and Body Works candle. Okay, so this is my Bath and Body Works candle. And this is the Fab Fit Fun candle. Okay, Jonathan Arden has lost his mind because this one is $26.50.
But that's only if you go without a sale or a coupon. They always got sales and they always got coupons. Okay, so you could get something like this that smells like heaven is baking cinnamon rolls or something. Oh God. And then this just smells like the laundry's done. That's what this smells like.
But you know, to each their own. If you like your house to smell like fresh done laundry, then this Jonathan Adler candle could be for you. Or if you might want to put your sea salts in this after you're done burning it, you know, you could store that in. That's what this container reminds me of, like spa, like packaging that they have their Q-tips in the bathroom in or something. I don't know. This is what that reminds me of. Now, let me see. Let me read the instructions. Oh. This is disappointing. Okay, so it says squeeze out balm and to massage it into the skin. Uses an overnight facial mask or throughout the day where needed. We suggest around the eyes, on the lips, or in any dry patches. So, let me see. Let's see the texture. If it's just like super greasy, I don't like that. I don't like super greasy. But let me see. Okay, so it comes out kind of like petroleum jelly. Okay, you see that? Let me see. At first, it has like a shea butter kind of smell to it. Okay, it goes greasy. See, it goes greasy. Let me see. Let's see. Oh, have you guys ever tried baby oil gel? Yeah, it's baby oil, but it's suspended in a gel, and it's really moisturizing, a little greasy like baby oil, but it ends up soaking into the skin really nicely, makes you nice and soft. This feels like baby oil gel that's been suspended, not in a gel, but maybe in shea butter. That's what this smells like. So I bet it's gonna be really good for like my elbows and my feet. That's gonna go by my bedside table, okay?
Bedside table, who am I? And on my nightstand channel.
Let me see. Thermal spring water. Now, I don't know about you guys. Let's go ahead and try it. Let's go ahead and try it. Ha, still prepared. Jesus. Oh God. And now I put the stuff on my hands so I can't even get it off. Okay. Where am I supposed to spritz?
Who do I think I am?
The instructions aren't in English. Okay, so this is supposed to be for everywhere. I don't even know that I should be putting this on my face. Okay, I have sensitive skin. Let me just roll up my sleeve here. And you know what? Look, look, look. I'm cold, but I'm kind of ashy. You can tell. So let me... Okay, so it says you're supposed to spray it, let it sit, and then pat in, okay? It doesn't have a scent at all. Child, this could very much be just water in that can. Like only water. It's like tingling, okay? I don't know if it's tingling because I sprayed water on myself. This is so strange. I don't know that I'm... Okay. I'm gonna quit being weird about it because this is just strange for me to try something like that on camera because it doesn't have a purpose like a setting spray does from what I can tell. Actually, I want to see. Okay, let me look on my... Get my hair out the way because I straightened it, okay? I don't want to get it messed up. Okay. I've clocked how my face looks right now, okay? And just so you guys know, still looks pretty flawless, okay? Okay. Definitely not as smooth as the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. Not as smooth as that. Smells like I just sprayed water all over my face. Hold on, let's see how this goes. Ladies and gentlemen, it looks no different at all. No different at all. Okay, so my deduction is that
oh my God. This is just water in a can.
I should have read all the way at the very bottom, all the way at the very, very bottom, guys. Right here. Water and nitrogen. That's what the bubbling was? Actual nitrogen? I'm so mad that I just sprayed water all over my face right now.
Who does that? On camera. Oh.
Well, this Fab Fit Fun box unboxing turned out to be way more fun than I thought it would be. So if you need to fill up an afternoon, email Jessica and be like, hey, I need that $5, Fab Fit Fun code or whatever that it is that you sent me. And then you can get a candle, a can of water, and some salt. Thank you, Jessica. Thanks, Fab Fit Fun. dead ass though, I'm gonna use this lotion. For real though, I'm gonna use the lotion, but until I take a bath, you know what? I'm gonna make it a point to take a bath tonight. I'm gonna try this, and if I remember, I will let you guys know in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching this, you know, crazy show that I call Bobbi Lace Beauty. I hope you liked my review of these products, and don't forget to like my videos. I would appreciate that. It helps YouTube know that you actually like my videos. You know what I'm saying? Don't forget to go down below and hit the subscribe button, because I would greatly appreciate that. It's for free and everything, you know? And thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time.